Hello everyone, I've got Aisling Hubert with me and I'm very pleased that she's able to give an update because a few weeks ago she was on Revelation TV relating her experiences with a court case. So Aisling, so tell our viewers what's been happening since, but perhaps before we do that, if you can just remind those who may not have seen the original broadcast, you know, where you are now.
Yeah. Okay, so in 2012, the Daily Telegraph did an undercover investigation into 9 abortion clinics to see if gender selection abortions were happening. And they discovered that 2 doctors were willing to do gender selection abortions. And as a result, the Crown Prosecution Service did an investigation to see if there was enough evidence to convict both these doctors. And after a year-long investigation, the conclusion came out in 2013 that there was enough evidence to convict both doctors, but the Crown Prosecution Service said it wasn't in the public's best interest to prosecute these doctors. So that's when I stepped in, and with the aid of the Christian Legal Centre, I launched a private prosecution, battled through the courts for a number of months, and then the Crown stepped in, took over the case, both cases, and dropped them again, saying it wasn't in the public's best interest to continue with the prosecution, and I was landed with the legal bill, which was £36,000 at the time. Took it to the High Court to appeal, and the appeal was unsuccessful, so now I'm faced with a £47,000 legal bill, even though there was enough evidence to convict both these doctors of acting illegally.
Okay, and so when you were on Revelation about a month or so ago, so you related this story to the viewers.
Yeah. And
has anything happened since?
Yes.
What is your situation today?
Yeah, so today, now I have a court date in October. I've been summoned back to court because I haven't been able to pay the fine, and I haven't paid the fine. So now I'm going to appear in court this month. Yes, this month, it's October.
It is,
this
yes.
month, where we will see what happens on that day in court.
Okay, and if our viewers were wanting to pray for you,
yes,
are there any specific prayer items that you would convey to them in terms of how they can support you in prayer or any other way? Yeah,
I would ask you to pray that we have justice in the court system, and that we have a just judge, and that the case will be overthrown, that the debt will be cancelled. That's obviously my ultimate hope, is that will happen, as these costs are completely immoral and unjust. And so I hope that is, well, I'd ask you to pray that God has his way in the courtroom on that day.
Okay, well, thank you very much indeed, Aisling.
Thank you very much.
Bless you.